The landscape in the township of Sant Aniol de Finestres is varied and rich, from the peaks and the volcanoes in Finestres, Medes and Sant Jordi ranges to the valley of Llémena River. The northern part is included in the natural park of the volcanic zone in La Garrotxa, and it is between the volcanoes of Fontpobra and Cantià where the Llémena River starts flowing through its valley. This valley is a geographic unit divided into 4 townships. The only one that belongs to La Garrotxa is Sant Aniol. The Mediterranean forests color the valley. In Sant Aniol, they are 3/4 of the territory. Regarding landscape, the Barroca zone, which has got some protected species, like the Batafaluga, stands out, and it has become home for birds such as the duke, the short-toed eagle, and the peregrine falcon, which have chosen La Barroca to make their nests. The fact that about 600 hectares of the north are part of the natural park of the volcanic zone in La Garrotxa gives the township a big geological interest, with places like the cliffs of La Barroca or the Llémena Valley shaped by volcanic cones and cliffs that still remain untouched. Maybe it is owing to the richness of the landscape that this territory has been populated since the Epi-Paleolithic period, 15,000 years ago, and it is shown by the discovery of 2 indigenous villages in Finestres. Among the archaeological remains that were found, we want to point out the Iberian village in La Palomera. Located in Finestres Range, it is one settlement called Frontier Settlement because it was used with defensive objectives. In this settlement, discovered in 1965, we have found Iberic pottery made by hand or with a potter's wheel, and a lot of pottery from Ampurias, pieces of amphoras of Greek and Italian origin, and even a piece of Punic origin. In 2007, important restoration work took place. The archaeological site called El Roc de la Melca in the east of the town is also important. It is a big sandstone that moved thousands of years ago and left a small hole underneath. Studies demonstrated that it was inhabited by a small human group at the end of the Cretaceous period, during the High Paleolithic period, so 2,900 years ago. We can't forget the remains of a tower in Puig Trepador, the Paleolithic archaeological site in La Barroca, the Iberian discoveries in Cantura and in the farm of El Grau, the remains of the fortress in the farm known as the castle, or the dolmen that Dr. Miquel Oliva discovered.